thire ngeigua turakiro express with Karod
mutongoria wa bururi ni augire ogwe kuria Nyayo ni augire kuma next year ri ni agutwakira express with Karod ni gite jamu
kwa jia ha
augire kuma museum kuma museum
thie nginyo
twagithire Thika
itonde gikinyio marua
agikinyia ndero ri tohoru
gikinyio ndero biu ri icabara ni
ni akugire kuma next year tutanye kira ta specify the next year ri
sikepa kuhinyie no turaruguririe
well kiuria kiu no kirorangio no ukorwo hi araugire ciandamane
Oikija twena idori. Why not?
Ye rwaigure ni turaruguria kigina kia gucokaniria bia cia waki wa project ta icio.
Yes.
Riu nikio ndirakwira Singapore here we come.
Ninge twendia Safaricom ri. Maisha le mewe ikara wega tutambie bara. Then.
Okay.
Turakiendia gicunje kiayo. Ngicoka ngaigua ndege ya magereire iniuru
furaide kuria VIP dias ri andu othe mari agukumirira no ma general matakumbireire
ndu acio no ucio niguo wira wao na ni mokite rihaso ndu mugathe ndokite rihaso
mako marite rihaso for quite a long time
ndu ni magereire mugathe muthenya omwe ari rihaso na ngeke atia
akoro script ini
ndakauga wa kai
ndege ciukaga ni undu wa maonyesho ma kijeshi ri riu last Friday ni maroririe
the fighter jets ciara iguru biu zikogwecia ciikindu 10,000 feet if not less is not more
riu Friday ni maroririe cigeika ikurukio
makiuga mwe iharuruke
we
and you know that it's a supersonic jet mugambo ucio waiguire agambia boom witagwo sonic boom hau ni hori ndege yakoragwo break it the sound band yakora ni ratengera gukira mugambo wayo ikio break ni mugambo ogwe yagambire na ithio turaminora guku mitandao-ini ri tutingeigua ria mari ho maigui ona ogikorwo hau no ona ni okuga wai
andu othe haria VVIP ri mari agukumirira ona mugathe ni ahaukire
akiyumbia aririkana niwe u
aririkana bururi mugima niwe wiroreire
kware
majenuru majecio na matiainainire
you see the Henry has na mano no ndu ucio tiri mwekana ki
mau ni maundu moi
tuori nao shazi son shazi a bit of chino to teach
eta na mudawa dire
that was very low so kuengana mwambia peperuze juu you can all pass by our noses
matu makiirie nginya president wa Ghana ule wacerete
kwaje ucio no maketho no ecirie akorirwo geni
mukene ya nile ogeni-ini
thene magia tona cia mbere ciarĩ cia Ghana gũkũ tonoka cia Nigeria no magakora augire Chineke punge
ukahariria kimeraga ikoragwo guo horerai
kiramo maki
ayo
ndio ADC wa president yu etawate uyu urari gũkũ ucio wa Ghana
etagwo mahama
si DC wake ri ya tukarauga atasa Seven ndagete kirombo Seven mena Kagame matingindo horoto Ruto now you are a president passing at your nose
na no ndirari imakia ria keriri ria president in 1 week
they send you a rhino Now it's the aeroplane. So you are taking the jokes too far. You know there is a time they needed an Entebbe airport like that with their own flying jets. Kagame, can you talk to Ruto? You see, airplanes are supposed to at least do 20,000. So that even if it crashes very far from the venue. What if that one malfunctioned? Or maybe, what if the person that was flying that jet is one time? You should be more careful. You never know whether your enemies are in the air or on the ground.
Vatigĩtĩkĩra maũndũ ta mau.
Yona andũ ake amwe nĩmamwĩlagia bana siku ingine bana bana siku ingine basipita hapo.
Museveni no kũrio ndege ĩrombũkio nĩ mũrũwe.
Yes, it's the only way I can allow a plane to fly that role. It is being flown by Mohos. She could be Bobby Wine's cousin.
And a distant relative.
Or they could be the rose of Bobby Wine. That was too low. When I'm observing them, they pass 10 kilometers from the stadium.
You're not binoculars.
Those risks are not formidable.
No current chair IEC.
You see, you are the chairman, now you would bring a calamity here. And you are with you in Mahama. And he just came back.
You even have a visiting head of state.
You don't do that. See, me, even the parade people, I check myself whether their guns are loaded. Even the rhino was, I suspect. I don't like.
That is too much in 1 week.
You should avoid things like that. Give clear instructions. You see, I saw you flinch.
And it is wrong.
It's wrong for president to flinch.
The country is watching.
You cannot understand because you see me, I was in the army. I was in the army, you were in youth for Kanu.
And you are the commander in chief.
He said you flinch. He said you should never fly that row again. In fact, the pilot should be given a show course. You see my place, I usually go where they are starting. I make sure that they are not armed with the missiles.
And Muhosi is there all the room.
Muhosi has to make sure they are not armed. Yes. Shut the sun! Walk the John and Peter Karim!
Madiplomati amagekumerera.
Anyway, military precision now. We know it was very well rehearsed. Kiria gwe kiria ala mali hau matiare rehearsal. Ona makirora maorete iguru. Makemeigua haya.
No tũrakĩmenyire jesi citũ rĩ marĩo maũndũ maingĩ moĩ na mangĩka
nĩ ndege ĩyo ya F5 rĩ nĩkĩũmbũkĩra level ĩyo rĩ ndihotaga kũrĩtectwo nĩ radar. Radar nĩ ĩrĩa ĩthomaga ndege rĩera-inĩ rĩu tarĩu ũngĩingĩra nayo Uganda ona matingĩmenya nĩ yaingĩra air that level. Radar ĩthomaga kuma I think kĩndũ 5,010 na kũu no ĩ hau yũka undetected. Yes.
Ĩkarĩkia mission nĩ ĩgathiĩ.
Rĩu nĩtũrendaga kuonia Uganda kaũndũ karĩa maretagia kairia.
kiundu kiria maratijana nakio
no tukire hau. It happened in Entebbe during etawatia mundu Idi Amin Israel mokire rescue mission. They flew that low. Yes, they were, and of course Uganda idio make na reda ningi ya 2.2G. So okay, we get your point. Don't do it again.
The 53.